southwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour in the morning, shifting to the west 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. The chance of rain 50%. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme south-central Logan County in western Arkansas, north-central Montgomery County in western Arkansas, northeastern Polk, Polk County in western Arkansas, eastern Scott County in western Arkansas, southwestern Yell County in central Arkansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 2 miles east of Waldron to 6 miles southeast of Waldron to 9 miles northeast of Lake Mina, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Waldron, Stonehouse Recreation Area, Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area, Grebely, Cardiff, Y-City, Union Hill, Parks, Oleo, Nola, Needmore, Harvey, Cedar Creek, Bulls, Bluffton, Blue Ball. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 2 a.m. Monday morning for northeastern Arkansas. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ55 in Little Rock, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock.